Hey, what is going on, guys? You have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I'm going to show you how to turn the night mode on and off, okay? Very, very simple. The easiest way to do it is simply slide down the notifications here, and then you want to slide down again where you see this little tiny horizontal line right there. Go ahead and slide down again, and now what you want to do is you want to swipe to the left one time, two time, and here's night mode right there, on, off, okay? Another way to get to this too is you can go directly into your settings here, slide down to notifications, click on the gear icon right there, and then from here just simply tap on display, and right here you have night mode, off, on. So I can go ahead and I can turn it on right here, and then if I go down to my notifications I can turn it off, on and off this way as well. So I can go ahead and turn night mode back off now, and it will also show right here night mode is off, okay, on, off. So pretty simple. Any questions or anything, comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.